Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to code a Flutter calculator app under 2 minutes. Without wasting time, let's get started. For this, we need to use this package called Simple Calculator Flutter. Let's copy it and paste it on pubspec.yaml. Open pubspec.yaml. Under Cupertino icons, place it. After doing that, hit Ctrl+S in order to save that. So it's done. Now open your home page. In the scaffold under body, call a widget called calculator. Yeah, now hit save. We can see that package has been imported automatically. Now let's run it. So it will take some time. Let me just fast forward the process. Let's wait for that to open. Take some time. Let's just wait. Yeah, you can see that the calculator has been running fine. Yeah, let's now just test it. 11 plus just give 2 equal to 13. Yeah, just it's working fine. This package also provides more customization options. Let me just example. Yeah, background color. Let's change it to colors.black. This will change the background color of the calculator to be black. Yeah, we can also change the colors of the operational button color, which is in now blue. We can change that to orange. We can also change the colors of the buttons and the text on the buttons. So I suggest this package due to these customization options. There are some other packages you can also might check on. So we can change the background color to black. So for that we need to change the result color to white so that it can be visible. That's it. Our calculator has been done. Let's use just const to avoid those blue lines. Yeah, that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you.